What's going on, guys? Today is an exciting day because I finally get to install a new mod, and that is some base bushings as well as a short shifter. Check this out. I've been waiting for this, and if you guys don't know what that is, basically it makes your throws a lot shorter. This is the before. All you guys want to do is remove this silver bracket, and then the 4 bolts that is holding this shifter as well. About 30 minutes, and I finally got this thing out. Like, holy crap, it took me so long because of these cables that are connected to the shifter, and holy crap, these took forever. I finally put in these bushings right here. The new adapter is right there, and now I'm just putting everything back in. Look how short that is, or it's not as short, but it is shorter than stock for sure. When I took out the shifter, holy shit, I had to take it back out again and cut it up again because I didn't cut it enough, because one of the cables was actually hitting it, and so I couldn't be able to shift, so I had to take everything back apart and then put it back together again. So that was kind of a pain in the ass, so that's why it took me an hour. But yeah, let's go take it for a test drive. So far it is super short. It's not super short, but you could definitely notice it for sure. Quick V-Tex real quick. Let's see how this does. Oh shit! Let me know if you guys have any questions about the short shifter as well as the bushings. But other than that, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time in the next one.